Let's talk about tax deductions. Now, this isn't personalized tax advice. Tax laws changes all the time. So always consult with a professional for specific situations. So, what's a deduction? The U.S. tax code allows businesses to deduct certain expenses, which can lower your taxable income when used correctly. Deductions can really help your business financially, but misuse can lead to audit and hefty penalties. So, when in doubt, get an expert. Remember, not all business expenses are fully deductible, and some have limits or need to be spread over time. There are two main types of deductions: operating expenses and capital expenditures. I got into the details on these and give real-life scenarios to help you better understand these deductions in my book, Taxes 101. Head to the link in my bio to keep these in mind when planning your finances.